Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's and welcome aboard Genie, a 2024 Azimut 42 Verve. This 2024 Azimut 42-foot Verve is powered by triple Mercury 450 racing engines, has joystick control, skyhook, FLIR, radar, chart plotter, GPS, autopilot, XM radio and weather, and many more other very cool features. Moving into the cockpit, there's trunk storage right here, a beach door here, which unfortunately I cannot fold down because we're right next to the dock. We have C-deck flooring throughout the entire cockpit, plenty of seating for the entire family. Sky shade, sunshade, which is retractable into the hardtop, and as you can see, plenty of overhead lighting. The cockpit also features a refrigerator here. Excuse me, that was an ice maker. Refrigerator here. Grill and sink right here. Here at the helm features 3 custom bucket seats with the captain at the center. The captain's seat is movable electrically forward, aft, up, and down. We also have hum-free trim tabs, automatic, twin ray marine displays. And this display here right now has all the switches for the boat for lighting, bilge pumps, so on and so forth. We have joystick control here with skyhook and a bow thruster right here. And then some neat windows right at water level for when you're running. Moving forward, we have a very deep gunnel, plenty of freeboard to get all the way up to the bow. By the way, this boat is equipped with a very nice stereo system. JL audio. See that blinking light there is some LED lighting for night lights. Forward-facing chaise lounges. Those do fold down, as you'll see in the photos. And there's a cover that goes over all of this stuff, including the aft cockpit, for when it's not so nice outside. A couple other features, remote spotlight, sorry for the glare from the sun. And then we've got color coordinated radar antenna and television antennas. Moving into the cabin. The Azimut 42 Verve features enough room to sleep 4 adults. This table drops down electrically. There's filler cushions that go over it. We have a hanging locker here, which you'll see in the photos. Storage here. Storage there. A very nice sized galley with convection microwave and hot plate. Something you wouldn't expect is a normal head with separate shower. And here we have the mid cabin. Suitable for 2 adults. There's storage behind this cabinet here, behind that cabinet there. And it has a television. One last thing, this table drops down and you can see it where it's recessed, so it's completely flush with the rest of the floor. And there you have it, Genie, a 2024 Azimut 42 Verve. For more information on this boat, please call 414-614-2628. Again, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's. Thanks for watching.